The truth behind who invented vodka is more complicated than you might think. Russians drink the most, closely followed by the Polish. So it's no surprise that both Russia and Poland claim to have first distilled the spirit in the Middle Ages. But the debate didn't flare up until the 1970s, during the time of the Soviet Union. You see, in 1977, Poland filed an international lawsuit against the Soviet Union in trade court. They argued that since vodka was first distilled in Poland, only they can market the spirit in foreign markets under the name vodka. Sort of like how champagne can only be sold as such if it is from the French region of Champagne. According to the Poles, the word vodka first appeared in the year 1405, and a notable Polish vodka brand, Zubrawka, characterized by a blade of bison grass added to it, goes back to the year 1533. Following Poland's claim, Soviet trade authorities began a spirited effort to prove the Poles wrong because vodka, they claimed, was a Russian liquor. The job was given to two research institutes, including the aptly named Higher Scientific Research Institute of the Fermentation Products Division of the Central Department of Distilling of the Ministry of the Food Industry of the USSR, which in turn conscripted a guy named William Pokhlopkin to investigate. He concluded that vodka was probably first distilled at a Moscow monastery around 1430. However, historians contend that the exact origin may never be discovered due to the lack of historical material from that time. What we know for sure is the name vodka comes from the Slavic word for water, voda in Russian or voda in Polish, making vodka a diminutive version of the word water, or little water. It's very popular in the vodka belt. No, not that belt, the other belt. So we can assume vodka must have been invented around these parts.